evening, ladies and gentlemen. Matt Troyce here, and tonight I'm going to show you how to make keto chocolate cake. But first, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. First thing we're going to do is start off with our dry ingredients. 1 cup of almond flour, and 1/3 cup of coconut flour, and 1/3 cup special dark Hershey's cocoa, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. We're going to mix these dry ingredients until they're evenly combined. Now for the wet ingredients. We're going to start off with 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 4 eggs, and 1/3 cup of almond milk, followed by 15 drops of stevia extract. Now to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Now to mix until combined. Now make sure you have your oven preheating to 350 degrees. Look at that. Looks like a real cake batter. Now we're going to transfer this cake batter into a pan. We're going to line the pan with some parchment paper. Put just a little bit of water on the bottom so the parchment paper sticks. Now make sure that the cake is evenly distributed in the pan. Look at that cake. Looks great. Now to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. So we started off with 1 stick of butter and 4 ounces of cream cheese, softened and slightly melted. Then we're going to add 1/2 cup of Hershey's cocoa, 10 drops of stevia extract, and 1/4 cup of almond milk. Chocolate frosting. And here's the keto chocolate cake straight out of the oven. Take a look at that. Man, that looks great. So first we have to let it cool for at least a ½ hour before we apply any frosting. Alright, now the cake has cooled sufficiently. Alright, so let's put some frosting on this cake. Look at that cake. It's looking great. Like a real cake. Turn it upside down, and now we're going to frost it. Voila! A frosted keto chocolate cake. Look at that. Now this is about 9 inches or so. It's a 9-inch pan. Nice sized cake. So we're going to cut into it and see what it looks like. Moment of truth right here, guys. All right, it's looking good. We can add a little chocolate covered strawberry to the top. And there you go. Keto chocolate cake. Now for a taste test. All right, guys, I'm going to try this cake. I mean, it looks delicious. Absolutely delicious. Look at that. Man, that's good. It tastes almost like a devil's food cake. Without the sugar, without the carbs. Oh man. And the icing is the icing on the cake. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. The icing just marries everything together. Man, this is good. I hope you guys try it. I mean, it's delicious. Amazing. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me tonight. I hope you all be safe and be well. And feel free to check out all my other videos. I'll see you next time, right here. Matt Troy signing out.